How can we prevent osteoporosis? Well, it starts young, in your teens and in your 20s, getting enough calcium, enough vitamin D, not smoking, not drinking too much, and then also doing weight bearing exercise is going to help you to build these nice, strong, dense bones. Then your bone density is going to kind of level off. You want to continue those healthy habits. But the thing that's important to understand about osteoporosis is once you hit your later years, age and menopause for women are two of the biggest risk factors for osteoporosis. So you can be doing everything right and still get osteoporosis. It's very common, even in people that have really, really healthy habits. So lifestyle is important, but it's not going to completely prevent osteoporosis for many, many people.